Hi, it's Melanie here. If you're watching this video, it probably means that you've been tapping along with some of my videos on YouTube. And I just wanted to share in this video today because a lot of people ask me the question, what does tapping have to do with manifesting and the law of attraction? Now, I just want to rewind kind of a decade how I got started with all of this. Now, I started off as a holistic therapist doing Reiki, reflexology, primarily helping women kind of with fertility and childbirth and that kind of stuff. But also I ran vision board workshops on the side with my clients. So it's kind of like two businesses that I had running side by side. I love them both equally, but I kind of saw that there was a bit of a missing link with the vision boards. Why were some things manifesting quicker than others? And I really didn't make the connection that tapping could be incorporated with the two. So a few years ago, my business, Tapping Into Your Big Vision, was born, where I combined my love of vision boards, law of attraction, manifesting and all that stuff with EFT and tapping. Because whilst the creation of the vision board is an amazing thing, and actually since then I've gone to create a really unique 3-part process. It's moved way beyond just cutting out pictures and sticking them on the board. That's vision boarding version 1.0. This has evolved now. We're into something much, much different. And there's the whole aspect of making your vision board, but then we've got our lives to live. We've got, families to raise. We have dogs. In my case, we have elderly parents as well. We have the day-to-day act of living our life, and with that comes a roller coaster of emotions. All sorts of events come along. We get thrown off track, and the path to your big vision is rarely smooth. Things come along, and literally just sometimes we get a bit overwhelmed with life. So that's why I wanted to create tapping videos to support you on this journey of life, through the ups and downs, through the highs and lows, but on the journey, on the path towards manifesting your big vision as well. So 2 years ago, I launched the Tapping Into Your Big Vision members community. And in this community, we focus on the 4 pillars of health, environments, your health, I've said that already, health, environments, your relationships, and abundance. So these are the 4 pillars, and I believe that we should be working on all 4 simultaneously. However, at sometimes in our lives, one of the pillars or 2 of the pillars are going to need more work than the others. And, people find that actually I'm ready to manifest a soulmate. That's when you'll want to work on the relationships pillar. I'm ready to start a business. That's when you're going to want to work on the abundance, or when you want to call in more abundance. You'll see a lot of my tapping videos around money and manifesting. And sometimes, it might be health, mental, physical well-being that needs your focus. And your environments as well. I've got lots of my members who are manifesting their dream homes, have manifested their dream homes, manifesting new car, holiday, travel experiences. That's all around your environments pillar. And we work on these pillars in rotation, each pillar 3 times a year. December is all about abundance. In January, it's going to be health. And then February, relationships and so forth, in 2022 and beyond. We also have meetups in the members community. We just had one yesterday. Lovely meetup in Hertfordshire, just outside of London. And we also have masterclasses as well. Well, I call upon guest experts to, do masterclasses in these particular pillars. We've got Feng Shui masterclasses. We've got decluttering masterclasses, all sorts of health and wellness coaches and experts to give their expertise as well. So my vision, my intention of the Tapping Into Your Big Vision members community was to create a community, an international community where we all come together supporting one another on our dreams, our goals and our vision. We support each other through the ups and downs, and we do this through the twice monthly Zoom calls where we get together on Zoom. There's lots of hot seat tapping, and it's your opportunity to tap with me twice a month. All the replays are available if you can't make the calls live, plus this enormous library of tapping videos which is available via a handy app on your phone that you can access at any time. And there are lots of videos that are exclusive to the members area only that you won't find anywhere else. So this is your invitation to come and join the Tapping Into Your Big Vision members community. I'd love to get to know you. I want to hear what your goals and your dreams and your aspirations are. If you are ready to change your life, if you are ready for the next chapter of your life, if you're feeling a little bit lost and, you know, the last 2 years have left you feeling a bit uncertain and not knowing what to do next, this is the community for you to come and find yourself, to remember the essence of who you really are, to remember that you are unstoppable. Anything is possible. That's the top I'm wearing today. Anything is possible if you want it, if you believe in it, you really can achieve it. So I'm here to help you unlock your heart's desires, to help you to manifest a beautiful life, beautiful relationships and abundance, and to remember that it's all available for you. This is an unlimited universe that we live in, and I'm here to provide a community and to help you unlock everything that's already within you. So you'll find all the details on how to join in the link below. I cannot wait to welcome you into the Tapping Into Your Big Vision members community. The doors are open and I hope to see you there. Bye for now.